Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to stop MTN data plan for auto renewal. So let me show you how. This is for every MTN user. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to our dialer. I'm going to click on here to open up my dialer. So after you open up your dialer, next thing you need to do is to dial *312*1# and hit on send on your MTN line. And this is going to pump up right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on here and dial 99 and hit on send. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here again and dial 12. Then hit on send. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on here again and dial start and dial 3. Having dial 3, next thing you need to do is to simply hit on send right here. With that, every auto renewal of your data plan is going to be deactivated instantly on your MTN line. It's as simple as that. For more tutorial tips and tricks about MTN tips and tricks, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.